Hi everyone, welcome to Johnson's Corner. Today I'm installing these Bushwacker plastic rocker panel covers on my 2011 Dodge Ram. As you can see, my rockers are in very bad condition. I figured this is an economical alternative to a full-blown body shop repair. The first thing I need to do is prep the area. I start by knocking off material that's ready to fall off. I suppose I could just cut all of it out, but I don't see what all that extra work would gain me. Now I found something I wasn't expecting. A pretty good sized mouse nest. This is the first time I've seen that inside of a rocker panel. Here I'm using rubbing alcohol to clean down any of the areas where the double-sided tape will attach. Oh, and I did test fit these before I started. You definitely want to do that just to make sure everything will line up. Once it starts to stick, you're not going to have much chance of moving it. That's why they recommend just peeling back a little bit of each section of tape. Then when you get it in position, pull the rest of the tape. And start applying the pressure. Just work your way around and apply pressure. I have only seen one of these Bushwacker rocker panel sets, and it was on a Chevy. But they've been on that truck for almost 8 years, and they still look great. That's basically what sold me on this idea. If you have had any experience with covers like these, or any suggestions of how I could have done it better or different, please leave it in the comments below. I think it came out pretty good. Definitely a huge improvement. How long it will last, who knows? Well, thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.